Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your transaction on the EveryDollar application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar app on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and password. Now, in order to share any transaction that you have made, tap on the transactions menu at the bottom. Within this page, you can open up any of your previous transactions by simply tapping on it. When you open this up, you will find the Share Transaction button. Go ahead and tap on this, and this will now allow you to choose any recipient by entering their phone number or email address. After choosing the recipient, tap on the next button, and then tap on the Send button. And through this process, you can share your transactions that you have made with other individuals. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to share your transactions on the EveryDollar app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.